3-boxer of 2012 Playbook. This was an 8-spot divisional. Here we go. With the division rundown, I got double LJ2J with the NFC West, Cali West AFC South, Avex NFC North, Team Super Dope NFC East, MPN and Randy with the NFC South, Ballin CP with the AFC North, TR Duenas with the AFC East, and Joe Sapp with the AFC West. Good luck, everybody. Again, if you guys work out a quick trade here before we get these open, just stop me. Box 1, got a live booklet. One live booklet in box 1. Can you guys see this? I'm sorry. First up, good luck. We have for the NFC West, Jamel Fleming. This is the 4th Jamel Fleming autograph I've seen in the last hour or so. 25 of 140. Jamel Fleming going to the NFC West. For the NFC North, we got a fabled Fabrics Warren Moon for the Vikings, NFC North. This is, ooh, check that out though. That's a 1 of 5. That was a bit of a surprise. Yeah, seriously, enough Jamel Fleming. Yeah, that's a real short printed little fabled fabric Warren Moon there for the Vikings. For the AFC South, we have Jared Cook. Got a little vet auto snuck into here for the Titans. Jared Cook, AFC South, 45 of 49. Vet auto. And our booklet from box 1. Well, NFC North, Ryan Broyles. What? That 3 a.m. mojo's back. What y'all know about the 3 a.m. mojo? Y'all remember that? A couple months ago, 3 a.m. breaks were just killing them. For the NFC North, we just pulled a Ryan Broyles 101. Holy goodness gracious. Wow. Yes, wow indeed. Broyles 101. That's pretty nuts. Who had the NFC North, man? Avex, congrats, man. Wow, that was surprising. Box numero dos. Hate these boxes. 2 live books. For the NFC North, we have Kevin Zeitler. Rookie for the Bengals, number 140 of 140. Oh, that's worth a lot now. Kevin Zeitler. 34 of 49. Uh-oh. I just lost my feed on Vaughn, it looks like. Good thing the video's still recording. You guys back? I just lost my feed real quick. Alright, cool. YouTube's still recording just in case that happens. Alright, cool. Casey Hayward, gold for the Packers. Wow, NFC North break, man. Y'all killing it. NFC North, 34 of 49. Man, NFC North on fire. Two books. We got a rivalry NFC West. Just hopped on in here. Nice patches here. Rivalry Brian Quick. 3-color, 1-color, 3-color, 1, 2, 1. Nice patches on that Quick. I was like, you're stupid, man. 23 of 49. On the Brian Quick. That was book number 2. And this is another book. $114 of 149. Rams again, another Brian Quick. Nice, man. You got some patches to go with your little acetate, whatever they call this thing. Little shadow box, whatever. Chris Givens, actually. I think I'm wrong. It's Chris Givens, it looks like. Nice, though. 3-color. Got that little jersey piece on the other side. 114 of 149. Chris Givens. Rams are on the attack. So the last box of the break. Two books in this one. Alright, 4 packs to go. Good luck, everybody. NFC North is back with the Evan Rodriguez rookie auto. For the Bears, 22 of 140, Evan Rodriguez. Yeah, no redemptions, man. That's typically good news, but not for you this time, I guess. For the AFC South, we have T.Y. Hilton. A little bit of potential there. This is looks like short print color. 24 or 25 TY for the AFC South. Two packs to go, both books. Which is fatter? Aggies, Ryan Tannehill. I was hoping that was autoed. All 1-color jerseys. 6-piece Aggies, Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins, AFC East. $119 of 199. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3 boxes ended up with 5 books. Last card of the break. It's a book. It's autographed. Good luck, everybody. $39 of 49. NFC West again. Man, we got one of these in every box. Got AJ Jenkins in this one for the Niners and the NFC West. That patch looks like it's about to bulge out of there. AJ Jenkins. $39 of 49. That rounds it out. Thanks, everybody. Got 5 books there. Not 1 of 1. That was pretty sick.